Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix Discord not loading up or just stuck on loading. So it is pretty simple and easy to fix. Just go to your search and type run. Here open your run application, and here you will need to type %app data %, click OK. Go to app data right here, go to local. Now search for Discord right here, go to this app, and here you will see a Discord. So right click it, click properties, compatibility, and make sure it is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click apply, and as you can see, if you go back, you will see update this application. Click properties again, compatibility, and run this Windows in Windows 8. And that's it. Now you can close your Discord, as you can see. And now if we open the Discord should open up. As you can see, it is checking for updates, starting, and